I think we can introduce everybody. Yes, ma'am. Our director, manager, Pacholo, diba?
Ian Barcelona, TJ, Kat and Paul, our camera crew.
And I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Becky. I'm the Assistant City Administrator at City Tourism. Then assisting you will be Vanessa, who is our tourist receptionist in the office. Then Miss Normalin, our senior staff at the City Information Office. So yung itinerary po ninyo, we will follow the itinerary dito si Marites. So ngayon, you will be going to the hotel. You will check in at the hotel, take your breakfast.
Yes.
Kasi you have a long day.
Okay.
Dami kayong trabaho. Then after breakfast, you will proceed sa Honda Bay.
Nice.
Island hopping kayo. Ikaw mag-explain normally yung activity nila at Honda Bay. You're lucky because it's not really very sunny. Yung ayos na ayos lang yung klima natin.
Manila is raining, so we are fortunate we have sunny weather here.
It's sunny pero hindi siya super sunny.
Enough lang.
Tirik na tirik yung araw. So medyo cool yung weather natin. And the dagat is very nice. Okay. So pakibigay mo yung yes.
Ma'am, sa ano po, sa pambato, pwede po yung mag-snorkeling, pero may mga tanong po kayo.
May swimming gear ba kayo?
Swimming guard, ayun.
I'd like to explain no, na when you go to Honda Bay, by the way, you will be having your pack lunch. No? Sa isang island na lang kayo kakain. Walang pack lunch. Pambato Reef is a community-based sustainable tourism program of the city. No?